Hello, Jim from Tech Buzz, back with a new video, and today we've got the all new Jabra Elite 85T in the house. We've come from the previous active 75T which we've been using since, and these have been excellent. Really like these, really loud and well worth the punt, and you should check them out. And they do come now in the 75T with ANC as well, and wireless charging and all that kind of stuff, but these have the wireless charging as well. So let's see what's on offer here this time around. So you've got adjustable ANC in here through. You've got 12mm speakers, 6 mic technology, up to 5.5 hours battery, 25 the case, so the ANC on. So you're obviously going to get more with ANC off. Fast charging and QI certified charging case and IPX4 with 2-year warranty, which is limited. So you've got your app here for Android and iOS as well, and that's pretty much it. And they've kind of gone with the sustainable packaging as well, Jabra have, so we'll take that out. So that's what it looks like inside, and the box has changed as well, typically from the rectangular box. So there's our sustainability note, and welcome to superior sound, and of course download the app. And as I said there, your warranty is against dust and water. So you've got some instructions inside the box. You've got your earbuds tips and your cable. So you've USB-C, and that's how long the cable is there, and your tips are in there. And underneath you've got your warranty inside, and we have the buds here, so just let's park them over there, and there we go. So here is the last model's case beside it, side by side. So you can see there is a difference there in size. Port on the back, USB-C, and if we flip them open, and the bud just happens to pop out, you have got this is what it's going to look like here. So I do prefer the blue out of the two, but that's just my choice. They do have some nice colours. So let's first of all check the size from this year's and the previous. Just pick one up there. They do look slightly bigger, and they kind of are, I reckon, and no really weight to them, but just as a comparison, you can see there the design language is pretty much the same as before, which we're all used to, which is nice. You have got nice clicky buttons there, as you can hear, which I like, and you've got your 2 magnets there on the back which will connect inside the case. So you've got 4 mic ANC technology here, which is nice, and you've got 6 mic call technology, 12mm speakers, and it's an easy to open case. I do see people complaining about opening the case on some of these Jabra earbuds, which I don't really get. They're all pretty simple to open, and you can do it one-handed as well if you want and get a good grip. But for me, fine. So looking forward to testing these out. I'm actually going to pop them in the ears and see how they feel first. And then of course you have to get the Jabra Sound Plus app. Just want to see if you can get connected there. And yes, we are in, and we have got an update as I expected there. So I'm just going to go with that later. So that's giving me the status there now of the earbuds, and if you're here through there and your ANC, and you can customize it, your music presets. And I've always said about the Jabra app, it's been excellent, and there's no difference here. So that's just a quick look at the Jabra app. So you can then go through it there. We'll go through it again in the review if people want to see. But I've always said the app is brilliant, and the app really underpins the overall product as well. So you've got your bass, smooth, energize, speech, treble boost, and all the other presets there, and you can customize it to your own liking as well. So for now, that will be it, your first look at unboxing. So we're going to take them off and check them out. If you have any questions in the meantime, of course, feel free to ask and give it a shout either here or on the site or on social media, and we will gladly answer your questions. Until then, we'll speak to you in the next video.